Hi guys, I'm Zaid. I'm from India. I would like to thank Chou-Tac for starting this course. I feel this is one of the best opportunities for someone to learn design sketching. On my background, I'm a mechanical engineer. I design machinery, and I had been looking to learn design sketching. I had come across it recently, and I tried copying the works of a lot of designers, but then I wasn't successful. I started buying books, seeing videos, but then I felt the sort of disconnect. I didn't know where to start from. I didn't know the basics. So when I did find Sketch Like the Pros, I joined as a VIP member. When we started from the basics, it was like a complete course, and it helps you build up your core skills that you need to go on to more complex assignments or what you want to do. So I feel this course is good because it covers all the basics, and it is very comprehensive. It covers all the topics, and you don't get that from just reading books or even online from other websites. As such, you don't get a step-by-step guide and a person who is helping you out every part of the way, and correcting your mistakes, showing what goes wrong, what usually people do wrong, and why it is wrong, and what to do next. So I feel it has been an incredible journey working with Chou-Tac, and again I would like to thank him a lot. I have been able to do a lot of stuff that I didn't think I would be able to do. Thanks a lot guys. I hope you guys join and you enjoy the course as much as we did. Thanks a lot.